We've got a beautiful 1968 Corvette Roadster here. It is restored to show quality condition. The condition's what really stands out to me as being the highlight of this car. In addition to that, it is air conditioned. It's got side pipes, red lines. I mean, it's a cool car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. Look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you find a price tag on every car we have, along with a monthly finance payment as well. And there's also a buy it now button. If you're excited about a car, click the button. It just locks it in for you while you're thinking about it and talking with the salesman. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath, in the motor, inside, everywhere. This is a really well-restored car. Show quality. So let's look at the body. First thing I'm going to look at, the headlights line up real nice, so does the hood. It's smooth up here, doesn't have those rivet bumps that some of them get. This is all really nice, really straight too. I don't see funny business or shrinkage. This is all really nice. All that fits really well. This is all really nice. 68 was the only year with this push button to open the door. Shuts nice. Yeah, all this fits really good. No cracking. I don't even see hairline cracks, no chips, no shrinkage, no body work. Yeah, this is all really nice. Excellent. I don't see any issue with the body. Excellent. Fits real nicely. This is all lined up real nice. This gap's a little wider on this side than it is that side, but it's straight. All that looks great. I don't see any issues with the body. Now, I was looking at the paint, too, as we were going around. It's Safari Yellow. It's the original color, and it's polished like glass. It literally looks wet. It's one of those cars, it looks so deep, it looks like you could just reach in and grab whatever you see there. It's a beautiful paint job. That's just some dirt. I didn't see a nick, a crack, nothing. I don't see any. On the inside, very far inside edge, there's a little paint missing in there. Paint's beautiful. Windshield's crystal clear. There's a picture of the convertible top on our website. They come vinyl. This is a black canvas, a nice rich black cloth convertible top that costs about double what the vinyl does. This chrome is new. They all leave the marks where the top sits on here. This one, barely. I mean, you can barely even see a mark. There is one there, but it's extremely mild. Bumpers, they look like show chrome. I've seen some lately where they're wavy and that. They're probably reproduction. This is a show quality chrome on the bumper. Tail lights, emblem, license plate frame, all that looks to be in great shape. Correct antenna, shiny. The emblem looks new. BF Goodrich radial redline tires, has the deluxe hubcaps. I think that gives it a nice unique look. They're in excellent shape. Has the side exhaust system. The chrome covers are beautiful. Last car we had, the guy spent $1,500 on the covers, so I'd imagine that side exhaust not only looks cool, but it would cost you a few bucks if you had to install that. So anyway, it has side exhaust that looks great. The weather strips, window seals are replaced. Up front, the bumpers also show chrome. The grille, everything up here looks really nice. All looks great. Oh, there is a line right here. I just caught it in the light. There is like a line in the paint, not a crack, but like a line from underneath the paint there. And that's it. Car's gorgeous. Let's open it up, show you how the inside looks. Yeah, that looks like yellow glass. That costs $100 grand to restore a car like this. So even the jambs are painted slick. The weather strips are real nice and installed properly. Door panel looks brand new, including all of its trim. The handles and window cranks look new. The jamb up by the hinges is beautiful. And all this is excellent. The instruments look like new. Dash pad, vents, all the trim is in excellent shape. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet's excellent. This whole center section's in very good shape. Original AM/FM radio. The heater control panel's real nice. The center piece here is real nice, not broken. Has the e-brake. Seats look like they've been re-cushioned and upholstered. Carpet front to back is replaced. Convertible top, and the whole frame is restored. Look at underneath the lid. Look how nice everything is. Yeah, it looks like a full restoration. Then this is a telescopic steering. It slides in and out. Steering rosewood plastic, rosewood steering wheel. Excellent shape. The mirror looks new. Visors look new. Now, I believe it's the original motor. I know it's the correct motor according to the dates and that. It is a 1968. It's a 327, 300 horsepower motor. And look how fresh it is. The manifolds and all the brackets and everything just looks fresh. The ignition shielding, the air cleaner, looks like new. Does have some tasteful, very nice looking finned aluminum valve covers. The vacuum lines, master cylinder, alternator, pulley, all looks fresh. Radiator, the clutch fan, all that stuff looks like new. Down in here, the actuators are clean. There's an AC fitting right there. That looks new. Correct fuel filter and factory air conditioned car. Actuator for the wiper door, all that works. All real nice. So that side exhaust, it gives a little bit of a growl. Oil pressure is excellent. Shows it's charging. Clock doesn't work. Tell you what does work, the wipers and the headlights. And then these show boards will come with it as well. So underneath this car is also detailed. I mean, it's beautiful underneath. Raw fiberglass floors, that's the way they're supposed to be. Almost all the times they're painted over. So someone either took the time to strip the floors, but they're really clean. All the frame and chassis is all painted real nice and black. Also, the fiberglass spare tire carrier is all there. That's raw fiberglass. And it looks like everything was redone. The front end, all the suspension, the steering, the ram for the power steering, all the bushings, control arms, all the hardware, nuts, bolts, all looks new in the front end. These also have independent suspension in the back end, and that all looks replaced back there too. The spring looks new. The shocks, the bushings, it was all apart and replaced. Has disc brakes at all four wheels, all that looks clean and fresh. E-brake is all hooked up. There's no exhaust under the car because it's hanging off the sides. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. Has a turbo 400 automatic transmission that I also believe is the original. Has the tag riveted right to the side of it that's dated 1968. And it does have its original rear end. The dates and codes all line up as well. It's a 307 Posi rear end in the car. So there's been several times where I've done a video and I'm like, wow, this is a really nice car. I'll walk straight into my office and I'll raise the price. I'm thinking about it on this one. I don't even know what I'm asking. I don't recall. But this deserves more than what I'm asking. Someone's going to get a good deal. This is when you want to use that buy it now button before someone beats you to it. go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered. They'll help you get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.